at Duddingston Loch behind us.
Yeah, beautiful. Behind us, before us.
And that's just at the bottom of Dr. Neil's garden, and we hope to come back and show you a bit more of that.
We're going to come back and show you in the summer next time.
So we have a little fitting song. We tried to find the closest loch that we could.
Yeah.
Because this song is called Campbeltown Loch. Join in with us.
So if you like a wee dram, you'll like this wee song.
Campbeltown Loch, I wish you had whiskey. Campbeltown Loch, okay. Oh, Campbeltown Loch, I wish you had whiskey. I would drink you dry.
Now Campbeltown Loch is a beautiful place, but the price of the whiskey is grim.
Why?
How nice it would be if the whiskey were free.
Ooh.
And the loch was filled up to the brim.
Whee! Campbeltown Loch, I wish you had whiskey. Campbeltown Loch, okay. Oh, Campbeltown Loch, I wish you had whiskey. I would drink you dry.
I'd buy a yacht with the money I've got, and I'd anchor it out in the bay. If I fancied a sip, I'd go in for a dip. I'd be swimming by night and by day.
Woo! Campbeltown Loch, I wish you had whiskey. Campbeltown Loch, okay. Oh, Campbeltown Loch, I wish you had a whiskey. I would drink you dry.
They'd have a gathering of the clans. They'd come from near and far. You can see them grin as they're wading in or shouting, Slanchivar!
Oh, Campbeltown Loch, I wish you had a whiskey. Campbeltown Loch, okay. Oh, Campbeltown Loch, I wish you had whiskey. I would drink you dry.
But what if my boat should overturn and drowned in the loch was I? You'd hear me shout, you'd hear me call out, what a wonderful way to die!
Oh, Campbeltown Loch, I wish you had whiskey. Campbeltown Loch, okay. Oh, Campbeltown Loch, I wish you had whiskey. I would drink you dry. Campbeltown Loch, I wish you had whiskey. Campbeltown Loch, okay. Oh, Campbeltown Loch, I wish you had whiskey. I would drink you dry. Oh, Campbeltown Loch, I wish you had whiskey. Campbeltown Loch, okay. Oh, Campbeltown Loch, I wish you had whiskey. I would drink you dry.
Oh.
Thank you. Thank you, Sol, for joining us today.
Thank you, and thank you for listening. We had a wee audience there.
And we hope you have a wonderful week.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone. Oh dear, I'm going to use legs.
That's okay. Do you want to do a little outro?
Will we? Oh yes, okay, will we have a look?
And then we'll have a look, yeah.
All right, we'll do an outro.